Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and be reviewing this Kipozi gel polish kit. They did send me 2 packages to make more content for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and separate both packages or both products in 2 different videos. So it does include 12 gel polishes plus 3, which are the base coat, the matte top coat, and the top coat, of course. A few stuff here. Here it includes this beautiful bag here. It includes some toe separators, a dusting brush, another dusting brush. It's really pretty pink. I absolutely love it. Just look how pretty that looks. It's super soft as well. We have a cuticle remover, some rhinestones. These are tip guides. They're for French tips, I think, and French V-cut. Cuticle pen, some tweezers, a dotting tool, a buffer. I believe this one's to polish and shine and buff, a 120 x 180 grit file. This is a zebra file. I absolutely love zebra files. They work extremely great for filing and getting that crisp shape. A cuticle pusher, some striping tape. So here we have some stickers. So here we have some really pretty roses, and here are some more flowers, daisies, roses, sunflowers. These are really pretty neon light lines. It includes some beautiful nail clippers. They look super great quality. Then here is a USB plug for the 48-watt UV lamp, which is great. 48 watts or higher is what you should always purchase. It works great for gel polish, polygel gel, and anything basically. So here you guys can see their instruction manual. It includes 2 different languages, I believe. And so here is the lamp. It's super pretty. I absolutely love the rose gold buttons. It's super small and pretty. It doesn't look small on camera because, you know, it's a little bit more zoomed in. But it's super pretty. The plug is in the back, which I absolutely love. This is going to be my main lamp from now on because the one that I currently use, the plug in the back kind of just doesn't work anymore. So I really love that I got that. It includes 4 fine glitters. Then here in this box we have 3 items here. So first we have their top coat, their matte top coat, and their base coat. Lastly, here are the 12 gel polishes. These are the colors. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches later on. So this is how they look. I love that they have the number on the top and the swatch of the color, just because it makes it easier for me, because I usually tend to put mine in next to my desk in a drawer. So it makes it super easy, you know, to just reach out and know the color without having to look around for them. Okay, so the gel polishes are 5 milliliters each. The consistency isn't too thick nor too thin. It's just right. It's perfect basically. So here are the swatch sticks, and this is all the beautiful colors. I went ahead and included them both in matte and glossy. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to go ahead and be doing some press on nails using the colors that we have. So I already went ahead and pre-buffed the nails. They're just ready to go ahead and, you know, polish the nails. These are some extra long coffin gel tips. You can find them at AliExpress if you guys are interested. So here are the 2 colors that I'm going to go ahead and be using. It's a baby blue color and a very bright white. So I'm going to go ahead and start by applying 1 layer onto the index finger, the ring finger, and the pinky.
Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew.
Okay, so without curing, I'm going to go in with this beautiful fine blue glitter. and I'm gonna just sprinkle it all over the pinky. I did not cure any of the rest of the nails either, which was like kind of a hassle because some glitter might have gotten on the other nails, but it didn't happen. I went ahead and either way cured for 30 seconds, used a dusting brush to remove any of the excess glitter, and we just are going to continue. So for this nail, I wanted to go ahead and apply a second layer, but it looked very pigmented, so I said never mind. And so we're just going to go ahead and proceed onto the ring finger. I went ahead and added the second layer, and then we cured for 30 seconds. On the middle finger, we're going to go ahead and apply some random dots of gel polish, the blue one, and the white one. And then using my dotting tool, I'm going to swirl the colors around just to create, that marble effect. Once I have that marbled, I'm going to go in and use a brush. It has no alcohol, no nothing. I'm just using the brush itself and the gel polish to go ahead and mix it around. And just to basically even out the whole gel polish through the whole entire nail. Once I have the gel polish to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So just to let you guys know, to clean up my sides, I use a polygel brush and some alcohol to just clean that up. Now I'm going to go in and apply my first layer of gel polish, the white one, onto the thumb, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Okay, so this is how the nails look now. They look absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to go on with their top coat. I actually really like their top coat. I 100% recommend it. After curing out the lamp, I usually touch it because sometimes they leave like some fingerprints or This one does not do that. It doesn't get foggy either, so I really recommend it. Okay, so once I've applied my top coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. Once it's been cured, I use my hand file. Some gel polish did slip to the side, so I'm just filing that away very gently. Now that I've done that, this is how the nails look. Now I'm going to go in with the baby blue color and place them on this little plate here because I'm going to go ahead and freehand draw some French tips here. So I'm just using a striper brush and I'm basically drawing the V cut first. And then once I have my V cut, I'm going to draw a line straight across the nail where I want my smile line to be. So with that cured our French tip, we're going to go in with the same fine glitter we used previously. I'm going to just sprinkle that on there, tap away any of the excess glitter, and then do a flash cure. Then I went ahead and did a full cure for 30 seconds. Now that we've cured, using a dusting brush, remove any of the excess glitter. Then continuing on to the ring finger, we're going to go ahead and do the exact same French tip. And basically the same exact thing that we did previously to the other one.
Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now.
So I'm going to go ahead and show you this trick that I do to go ahead and debulk the nail. Sometimes gel polish can ruin the shape of the nail, so it's better to clean your side walls under the nail and at the free edge. Just, so that they don't look bulky. I've learned this the hard way. But yeah, once I've done that, then I go in, like I said, the same exact steps that we did previously with the other nail. I'm going to be going ahead and applying some of this gold dragon onto the middle finger with the marble nail. Once we have that placed down, I'm going to go ahead and then cure for 30 seconds. Once it's cured, I'm applying some cuticle oil to the cuticle area. I'm going to rub that in just because my nails are very dry. I wash my hands a lot, honestly. And basically this is the result. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. My sister said that these gave her Cinderella vibes. I actually absolutely agree. These look really pretty. I actually love it. I usually don't go for bold colors, but I decided to today. Thank you guys so much as always for watching today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.